Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how you can manage a screen mirror effects of your front camera in the REDMI NOTE 10 Lite. So at the start open the camera app, then in the photo section switch camera to the front one and go to the three-line icon. Now just tap on the settings and look for the mirror front camera. Now by this little switcher you can enable this option. I will show you the difference between the photos. That was a photo with mirror front camera enabled. Now we go to the mega photo without it. And as you can see, there is the difference between this mode. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.